How can I use Pickle to save a dict, or any other Python object? I have looked through the information that the Python docs give, but I'm still a little confused. Could somebody post sample code that would write a new file then use Pickle to dump a dictionary into it?
Try this. There's nothing about the above solution that is specific to a Dict object. This same approach will work for many Python objects, including instances of arbitrary classes and arbitrarily complex nestings of data structures. For example, replacing the second line with these lines will produce a result of true as well. Some objects can't be pickled due to their very nature. For example, it doesn't make sense to pickle a structure containing a handle to an open file.
Use. The advantage of highest protocol is that files get smaller. This makes unpickling sometimes much faster. Important notice, the answer was written in 2015, Python 3.4. Back then, the maximum file size of Pickle was about 2 GB. Alternative way. Alternative formats. CSV, super simple format, read in AMP, write. JSON, nice for writing human-readable data. Very commonly used, read in AMP, write. YAML, YAML is a superset of JSON, but easier to read in AMP, write. Comparison of JSON and YAML. Pickle, a Python serialization format, read in AMP, write. Message pack, Python package more compact representation, read in AMP, write. HDF5, Python package nice for matrices, read in AMP, write. XML, exists 2SCI, read in AMP, write. For your application, the following might be important. Support by other programming languages, reading/writing performance, compactness, file size. See also, comparison of data serialization formats. In case you are rather looking for a way to make configuration files, you might want to read my short article configuration files in Python.
Save a dictionary into a Pickle file.
A simple way to dump Python data, e.g., a dictionary, to a Pickle file.
In general, pickling a dict will fail unless you have only simple objects in it, like strings and integers. Even a really simple dict will often fail. It just depends on the contents. However, if you use a better serializer like Dill or CloudPickle, then most dictionaries can be pickled. Or if you want to save your dict to a file. The latter example is identical to any of the other good answers posted here, which aside from neglecting the picklability of the contents of the dict are good.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.